Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I've got a really quick one for you. It's a little feature that Google has rolled out, I think about a week ago. Now, depending on this post, it may be around for quite a while. But that is the search impression share KPIs are now available for Performance Max campaigns, whereas in the past we did not have access to that. So it does definitely give you a piece of information that's very important, and that is, looking at search impression share overall, kind of understanding how much market penetration or saturation you have with your campaign and your current budget. So obviously if you're below 10%, then, relative to all the targeting you have, you're not spending that much. If you're at 60%, on the other hand, you've saturated that quite a bit. And then the other thing, you will get the other impression share metric. So you can get your lost impression share rank and lost impression share budget and all the others. So to really give you a sense of, in this case, most of the impressions that you're not getting is because the ad rank is too low. And there's only 7% due to budget. So it means there's probably a pretty healthy budget here, but you're just not getting enough action because of your target, right? That's where you're getting restricted. So in this case, it's just search lost impression share rank. So this is very useful. It's a small thing, but bit by bit, Google is unlocking more information in PMax, which we all like. Hope that they'll continue to do more of. The other thing I'll just point out about these metrics, they do, when you're running shopping ads, they do include both shopping and search placements. So be aware of that it is including both inventory types in the aggregate. I will also post a link to Google's help article that explains how they calculate that, just to make it a little easier to understand. So that is it for today. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.